Hey guys, Tom here, back in the Velocity showroom. I've got this awesome Bronco to walk you around today as if you were standing here with me. This one is a 1977. It's finished in a Porsche color, oak metallic, and is a really great example of what Velocity does best, the first generation Bronco. Come with me and check it out. All right, so we're going to start where we normally do, which is the color. And like I just mentioned, this is a Porsche color, oak green metallic. Now, we actually discovered this color about 6 or 7 months ago. Of course, Porsche have been spraying it a long time, but we couldn't find another Bronco out there on the market, whether it was one of ours or somebody else's, that had been painted in this particular color. So we thought we'd give it a try, and it came out fantastic. It came out so well, in fact, that I built one for the showroom, and that one sold immediately. That was the very first one. And then 2 or 3 other customers came back to us off that one and said they wanted to build their own with their own sort of style, and one did it without a Ranger package, another one did. And so we just thought, hey, we should probably build another one because it is such a beautiful color. It is a deep metallic, it is a dark green, hence the name oak, and it just looks fantastic. It's really, really nice with the Ranger package, which we're going to get onto here in a little bit. But just think of a very opulent color, really, really nice dark green, almost a kind of black gray undertone. It just looks brilliant. Walking you through the front of the truck then, and this of course is what a first generation Bronco looks like. Couple of key features I want to point out here. First thing is going to be these headlights. These look like an old school halogen lamp, but they are actually a Holley retro bright headlamp. So they're fully LED, super bright, brand new, very durable too. There's modern technology there, looking like an old school package. The Ford lettering of course is standard on all vehicles. There's a couple of different things you can do in terms of color, but for this one, we kind of do this dark red. It actually matches the Ranger stripe that we'll get onto here shortly. It looks really nice, very, very classic. The grille, you do have the option on these grills to either go with the main body color, in this case, as you see it, Porsche green, or you could do it Wimbledon White, which is this lower color. For me personally, I like to keep it body color. I think it looks clean, but go on the configurator, build one for yourself, check it out. You can click that option, see what they look like. This lower bumper is in Wimbledon White, like I just mentioned, and that's because the vehicle has this Ranger package. Normally, these would just be a chrome, but again, when you do that Ranger package, you get this kind of nice vintage detailing, which is really, really cool. That's about it for the front end on this side. If you look on the top of the hood, again, part of that Ranger package is a decal pack. This is the first one here. It's the hood stripe. The Ranger package, of course, being a very classic look for Bronco and one of the packages we offer here. Now we're going to come down the side of the truck, and the first thing I want to walk you through is the rest of that Ranger package. We'll start with the wheels. These are a Wimbledon White wheel. They're a steely wheel. Wimbledon White being a very classic Ford color. It isn't actually white. The truth is it's probably a cream, but it works excellently in this package. The Ranger package, again, was something that you could actually get from Ford, from factory, back in the late 60s and early 70s. And this is kind of our testament to it. So the wheels there, the steely white wheels. When you go to the Ranger package, you also get a change in tire. You get the Cooper Discovery with the white letters facing outside. Just gives it that very, very vintage look. Tread pattern's a little bit different as well, but still good for on-road and off-road driving, mixed driving. Main thing as part of that Ranger package on the side of the truck is going to be the continuation of the decal. So we talked about it on the hood. It now comes down all the way along the side of the vehicle. There's actually a couple of different decals on there with this pinstriping. The pinstriping is not a true red. It is ever so slightly orange, but again, exactly as it would have come from factory, from Ford. The great thing about this decal is it almost acts as a PPF as well. A lot of times people ask us why we don't hand paint the stripes on these Broncos. We can hand paint anything. We hand paint the stripes on all of our Mustangs, but because of where this stripe package sits, if you can imagine rock chips and trash from the road, things like that, they get caught up in here, especially around this rear arch. And so what means is if that gets chipped, instead of having to repaint the whole panel, you just take the decal package off and you can apply a new one, which is really, really cool. If you keep coming down the side of the vehicle, final thing I want to talk about the Ranger package is going to be the roll cage. It's a 4-point roll cage, but it's also been painted in Wimbledon White. Now, this is one of those things that you can upgrade. So if you wanted to change this to our extended 6-point cage, if you had a family or something like that, needed full seat belts in the back for young ones, you could do that and that would come back here. So you can actually refit to this vehicle if you would like to. A couple other things I want to point out, if we work our way backwards a little bit here on this truck, you do have the vintage Bronco Sport badging here. That's on the side at the front. The Bronco Sport badging, of course, we're able to put on this vehicle because it is a true first generation Bronco. It is not a kit car. It is not like a rebuilt from parts or something like that. This is a true first generation Bronco that's been restored, which is really, really cool. Chrome OE standard components here for the side mirrors and the door handles. You do have the option to upgrade in our billet if you want to, but for me, when you do the Ranger package, I really like all of the OE stuff. It is brand new, but it is exactly as it would have come from factory. Again, it looks really cool and old school. I really like that. Come to the back of the vehicle then, and just a couple of quick things to touch on. On the tailgate here, a couple of little details. The lettering for Ford, normally this would just be left in body color, but again, because you've done that Ranger package there, you do get that decal setting here as well. It looks really nice. You can see even the red pinstriping comes through. Velocity build badges at the back, and then that rear bumper is matching the front bumper in Wimbledon White too. From a tech perspective, the same as up front with your headlights are your tail lights and your indicators, your sides here. These are all LED, these are all brand new as well. Drop the tailgate really nicely. I want to point out this finish at the back. This is Raptor lining. So we don't just paint the underside of the vehicle. We don't just leave it naked. We do Raptor line everywhere that isn't in that Porsche oak green metallic. But it's got texture to it, and it's basically a truck bed lining. It means it doesn't scratch. It's really, really good. It also helps with heat and vibration and things like that. Load area is ample for things like suitcases and golf carts, which is fantastic. You do have a removable floor mat here. It matches the rest of the floor mats in the vehicle, and this seat can actually lock and roll forward too. So if you don't have kids in the back or friends in the back and you want more space for luggage, this actually folds all the way forward and flips forward so you can have more area as well. Now, I love the look of this truck from the outside, but I think probably my favorite thing is the outside combined with this interior. Let me walk you through it, because this is also a big part of that Ranger package we've been talking about. We'll start with the door panel here. This primary material all the way through the vehicle actually isn't leather. It looks like leather, but it's a premium vinyl. It's weather resistant. It's really, really good. It can get wet. It can get dry, super hot. It doesn't burn your skin. And ultimately, it doesn't sag after extended usage. This vehicle is designed to be out in the sun. It's designed to be out having fun at the beach, wherever you want to go. And so you don't want to have to worry about leaving things out. And that's what this material does. It just gives you that peace of mind. This insert here is actually a synthetic bamboo weave. Feels really cool. There's all these tiny little threads here that go in together, almost makes it feel slightly fabric-y. But the great thing about that product is that it's breathable. And so that's why I've got it on the back of the seats, which we can talk about in a second. It also gives a real vintage look, which I love. The rest of these fittings are all OE. So they're all as standard. All the placements are pretty much the same as they would have been. There's no upgrades. Again, you could do the billet stuff if you wanted to on the door panel, but I love how this looks. I think it's fantastic. Couple of technology things to point out. First thing is going to be the speakers. You do have speakers in both of the door panels. I'll talk more about the sound system in a minute, but that's where some of those sit here. And the window regulator, or the window winder, it looks old school, but it's actually fully electronic. It's a switch. So this vehicle, like all Velocity vehicles, features fully electronic windows. Really cool. Getting in the truck is super easy too, because of these powered side steps. Any 4x4 by Velocity has them. I'll just show you how they work really quickly. When you shut the door, there's a little button that gets pushed in and they disappear. It doesn't ruin the look, the aesthetic of the side of the vehicle. Open the door, they pop back down. Makes it really, really easy to get in and out of this truck. Seat position can move backwards and forwards, as can the seat back, which is nice. In front of me is, of course, a standard classic Ford steering wheel. It does have this wooden rim. It's really popular. I think one of the favorite things of a lot of the customers is this steering wheel, just because it looks so cool. It is adjustable too, so you can tilt this forward and backwards as well. Behind that, again, the final thing I want to draw your attention to here is this instrument cluster. It looks old school. It looks like the OE standard Bronco instrument cluster, but it's not. It's brand new. It's by the guys at Dakota Digital specifically for us. You can actually see the Velocity Flying V in there. And if I just put some power on, you're going to see the logo appear and some more information as that system boots up. What's really cool about this is all of the original dials work as you would expect, but you have this extra screen in the middle, and the screen actually can show you different things. So right now it's showing us our fuel, but if we want to, we can cycle through and it can show us different information. This is my favorite screen. It shows which gear you're in, the odometer, as well as your live miles per hour. Now it's time to take a closer look at these seats. They are a high back seat with a headrest. And again, the primary material here is a premium weather resistant vinyl. This is not leather, but it looks and it really feels like leather. I mentioned earlier this synthetic bamboo. You can see it here in its full glory. Really, really important that it's breathable. Obviously where your back sits and when you sit down on your bottom here in the vehicle, especially in the summer, it does get warm. Down here in Florida, it's very warm. And so you want to make sure that these seats are breathable too for comfort. That's important. Here in the center is a cubby box. box, that's also topped in that same material with this little cushion that acts as an armrest. It's just perfect as you're driving along. The front of this cubby box also has two USB points, a USB 3.0 and a USB-C charger. There's a small slot for your phone, and then you've got two drinks holders. It's simple, it's effective, it works every time. While we're looking down here lower, what I really like about the Ranger package is this full transmission tunnel covering mat. So normally on a Velocity Bronco, you do just get the mats on the sides here and the footwells, which look great. But when you do the Ranger package, you get all of this transmission tunnel covered as well. Now, if you've watched some of our other videos, you're gonna notice, hang on, it looks like this one now has the new system because there's no levers in the middle. That's right, this vehicle does feature a fully electronic transfer case as well. So all of our vehicles used to have manual transfer cases. Now it's controlled by literally just twisting this button. Really, really cool, great technology, and it was all developed in-house. This isn't something you can actually just buy. All of the control modules and everything we designed here, which is awesome. Let's look above the transmission tunnel now and talk you through some of the convenience features and technology that we have. We'll start actually with this underdash and the grille AC system. It's a brand new AC system by the guys at Vintage Air. Don't get the name confused. It is super powerful. It's really strong and it really makes a difference even in an open top vehicle like this. This is called a retro sound radio. Looks like an old school radio. It is not, just like everything else on this truck. It is fully Bluetooth, and that powers a focal speaker system. So you've got speakers in the doors, you've got speakers in the rear panels, and you've got a big sub underneath this passenger seat. Sound systems are insane. A couple of other things to point out. You do have your light switch here on the right hand side of the steering column. That's really nice. It's so satisfying. These are all automatic lights, but actually, if you want to, you can pull them out. You do have wash wipe as well. And something that in 2026 we started doing as standard is including the jet sprays on all vehicles. They actually never came with Broncos, so that's why we didn't do them. We had them as an upgrade, but we just started adding all of them as part of that base price. When they originally started adding the jet sprays, guess what? They went electronic back in the day. I think it was the early 70s when they added them. There used to be a foot pump that you had to use to spray them out. So that's cool. You don't have to do that anymore. It is now fully electric, which is nice. The final thing I want to point out while we're looking at this is just the rest of the finish of this dash. It's all finished in this Porsche green, which looks incredible. That vinyl continues here on the dash pad. And then as we look up, you're going to notice, yes, there is a bikini top on this vehicle. This is all custom made in-house. You can't buy them. We make them to each roll cage, and each roll cage is made to each vehicle. Roll cage again being finished in that Wimbledon White. It's part of that Ranger package. All in all, very comfortable, very nice, and actually very classic vintagey place to be. All right, let's now take a look under the hood and see what we've got in terms of a driveline. Of course, it's a Velocity Bronco, and so that means it's been re-engineered completely. It is a resto mod. There's no original driveline here whatsoever. This is a 4th generation Coyote, the newest Coyote engine that Ford makes. It is a crate engine. It's a 5-litre V8, produces around 460 horsepower. That means this truck, even though it looks old school, will actually do new school performance car figures. It'll do 0 to 60 in about 4.5 seconds. It's really, really quick. What's great though about the Coyote is it's also very durable and easy to service. So you could take this truck to any Ford dealer. It doesn't have to be a specialist. It can be a main dealer, and really any mechanic that can work on a modern vehicle. They'd be perfectly comfortable working on a vehicle like this. Behind this engine is a 10-speed automatic, the 10R80. Same thing. It is a new transmission, very, very long lasting, super quick shifting too, just really easy to drive every day, just like you were getting in a new F-150 or something like that. For braking on this truck, you can't see them because of the wheels, but we do have disc brakes all around. They're by Willwood. So Willwood disc brakes on all 4 corners of this vehicle, and it is a hydro boosted system. So you get that nice brake pedal feel when you are braking. You have all this power. You want to make sure that you've got confidence in your brakes too, and that's what that Willwood system does. A couple of other features here, just to make this engine bay look really clean. It does have the Velocity serpentine system. You'll see all the fittings and fixtures here. There's nothing to hide. The guys do an incredible job. The goal here is to make this truck look OE+, especially when you enter the engine bay here. You just want it to look like it came from the factory like this. Underneath the vehicle, something that didn't come from the factory is the chassis. It is a brand new Rose to Shop chassis. It's stronger, it's more durable, it's better all round. We partner with the guys at Rose to Shop on all of our vehicles. That chassis platform is just fantastic. So it does have leaf springs in the back, coilovers in the front, the full Velocity Bilstein setup. You could offer, if you wanted to go to the Penske's. We do have an upgraded shock option as well there. You can check that more out on the website. But ultimately, this truck with this chassis and the suspension platform drives really, really, really well. It drives fantastically. They drive so well on the highway. I can't, explain that enough to people. When people see these driving around town here, they think, well, can it really do 60, 70 miles an hour? Check out the videos on YouTube that I have where I'm driving with one hand. These things are just insane. And again, that's a testament to what's underneath the vehicle. It's easy just to put an engine in something and give it more power. It's quite a lot harder to make it drive nicely, and that's what we do here. And hey, don't just take my word for it. We have test drive events all around the country, not just in Florida. You can go on the website, check out, we'll put a link in the description of when the next test drive's coming up. There's a whole events page that you can work out where you can see us at, and come and drive one of these things. Come and see for yourself. Thanks for taking the time to walk around this really awesome 1977 Bronco by Velocity here in the showroom. It has been an awesome video to shoot. This is one of my favorite new colors. I just love it. I think it's stunning. I think it's really timeless. And obviously with the Ranger package, it just looks so classic. Now, if you're watching this video and you're thinking, I'm interested in this vehicle, and you notice it's already sold, which it may well have done by the time this video even goes out, we actually do have another one that's its exact twin. It just happens to be a 73 rather than a 77. So you can go and check that one out too. There's two of these. If they've both sold, sorry, you'll have to put an order in. But we built two of these at the same time because we just couldn't keep the first ones in stock. And again, I think that's a testament to the color. It just looks really immense. I love it so much. Anyway, all the links and everything we talked about, there'll be stuff and information down in the description. As always, if you've got any questions, leave us a comment. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.